Hello student, next topic is transpose of matrix. Transpose means in the matrix term, if the row and column interchange, then the matrix is transposed. Suppose the matrix A is the 2 by 3 order. The order of matrix 2 by 3 and the first row 2, 4, 7 and second row element 5, 3, 1. Then the row and column interchange, it means the first row become the interchange the first column. The first column value is 247 and the second row 531 interchange the second column 531. Then the matrix is known as transpose of the matrix. It is clear everyone? The sum property of transpose of matrix, if A plus B transpose equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. The multiplication of transpose of matrix is equal to the reverse order transpose of multiplication of matrix. The scalar multiplication of transpose matrix is equal to scalar quantity the transpose of matrix. 39. Then the transpose of matrix row interchange to the column. First row interchange to the first column and second row interchange to the second column. Then this is the left hand side. And the right hand side, first we interchange the first matrix, interchange the row and column. After then we add, then the value is similar to the LHS side. It is clear everyone? And second one question is, if A and B are two matrices multiply the transpose, then the reverse multiplication of the transpose of multiplication. It is clear? Now the sum question by solve by these are the sum question which we solve. If A and B are two matrices, verify the first condition, first property of the transpose. A plus B transpose equal to transpose of A transpose of B. Now the solution of the matrix. First we find the A plus B and transpose of A and transpose of B. First we find out the A plus B. A plus B equal to, note down the value of A. Note down the value of A. Plus note down the value of B. Now the add both the matrices, then we find the A plus B. Same order element in the add in the same order element in the second matrix. The first element is 2 and the same order element is matrix B is 3. So 2 plus 3. The second element of first row is minus 3. The same order element in the second matrix is minus 2. Then minus 3 plus minus 2. The third element of the first row is 1. The corresponding element is 4 in the second matrix. So then 1 plus 4. The second now becomes the second row, first element 4, the corresponding element in the second matrix is 1, 4 plus 1. The second row, second element is 2, the corresponding element second matrix is 3, then 2 plus 3. The second row, last element is 3, then the corresponding element is plus minus 1, minus 5. Now we add in the next step each element. 2 plus 3 5. Note down 5 in the similar place. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Note down minus 5 in the similar place. 1 plus 4 5. Note down 5 in the similar place. 4 plus 1 5. Note down 5 in the similar place. 2 plus 3 5. Note down 5 in the same place. 3 minus 5 minus 2 in the same place. Now this is the A plus B. Now we find the transpose of A and transpose of B. Is equal to transpose of A now the row is changed, row and column interchange in next step when the transpose of A. First column 2 4, it is replaced by the row 2 4. Second column is minus 3 2, replaced by the row minus 3 2. Third column is 1 3, replacing the third row 1 3. This is the transpose of matrix A dash. Now we transpose of the matrix B dash. Now we find the B dash, transpose of B. Note down the value of B. Now we transpose row and column interchange in the next step. The first column is 3 1, then the interchange by the first row 3 Second row element is minus 2, 3 interchanged by the second row. Second column minus 2, 3 interchanged by the second row. Minus 2. Now third column 4 minus 5 interchanged by the third row. 4 minus 5. This is the transpose of the matrix B. Now take LHS side, transpose of A plus B. Transpose of A plus B. A plus B is also solved in here. Note down the value. Now the row and column interchange in the next step. First column value interchange in the first row. 5. Second row value interchange second column. Minus 5. Second column value interchange second row. Minus 5. Third row 5 minus 2 interchange in the third row. Third column value interchange in the third row. 5 minus 2. This is the LHS side. This is the LHS side. Now we take RHS, right hand side is equal to, what is the RHS side? Transpose of A plus transpose of B. Transpose of A is also find out in ever transpose of A. This is note down and write down here. Plus transpose of B is note down here and write down here. Both the matrices will be added in next step. minus 2 plus 3 add 2 plus 3, 4 plus 1, add 4 plus 1, minus 3 plus minus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 3 plus minus 5, now we add in the next step. Two plus 3, 5, 4 plus 1, 5 will write down the same position. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, note down the same position. 2 plus 3, 5, note down the same position. 1 plus 4, 5, note down the same position. 3 minus 5 minus 2, note down the same position. This is the RHS side. Now we check LHS and RHS are equal or not. In the first row 5 5, in the RHS first row 5 5, in the second row minus 5 5, in the second row in RHS minus 5 5, in the last row 5 minus 2, in the 5 minus 2, then both the value are equal. RHS and RHS hence prove the transpose property in addition. LHS equal to RHS. First one we add A plus B, and after then we find the transpose of A and transpose of B. After then we take the right hand side, left hand side. In the left hand side, the transpose of A plus B. Put the value of A plus B and take the transpose of A plus B. Then the row and column interchange. Then find the left hand side. After we find the right hand side, then we take the right hand side, note down A transpose of A plus transpose of B, note down the value of transpose of A and transpose of B, then the addition of two matrices A transpose and B transpose. After then we find the value of RHS of addition. Both the value of LHS and RHS are equal, then the property is verified. Transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A and transpose of B. It is clear, everyone? This is the procedure to verify the property of transposition. Now we next question, take next question. Multiplication of transposition are verified. Now we prove the multiplication of transposition is verified. In this question, first we find out the multiplication AB and the transpose of B, transpose of A, then take left hand side and right hand side. First we find the value of AB. After then transpose of A and transpose of B, then we take the value of left hand side and right hand side. First we find the value of AB. AB equal to, find the value of A, multiply matrix B, find the value of B. Now we check the number of column in the first matrix is 3, number of row in second matrix is also 3, the multiplication is possible. Now we find the multiplication of these two matrices in the next step. Now the first row multiply, by first column, then we get the first row first element. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by minus 1, 2 multiplied by minus 1. Then first row multiply second column, then we get the second element of the first row. It is clear? So first element multiply by the first element, 1 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by second element, next element of the first row is 1, and the second column, second element is 0, then 1 multiply by 0, 1 multiply by 0, after then plus, and the last element of the first row is 2, multiply the last element of the second row is 1, 2 multiply by 1, 2 multiply by 1. This is the multiplication of the first row and second column. No more column in the matrix B, then we come to the second row and multiply 1 by 1 each column, then we receive the element of the second row. It is clear, everyone? Now we take the second row and apply the same process in here. Now we take the first element of the second row and the multiply of the first column first element, 2 multiply by 1, 2 multiply by 1, then plus, and the second element is 1 and the second element of the first column is 2, 1 multiply by 2, 1 multiply by 2, then first plus, and the last element of the second row is 0, multiply by the last element of the first column is minus 1, 0 multiply minus 1. Now we second row first column multiplication complete. Now the second row multiply by the second column. This is the last element of this matrix AB. Second row first element is 2 and the second column first element is 2, then 2 multiply by 2 plus second row second element is 1, multiply by the corresponding element 0, 1 into 0, then plus last element of the second row is 0 and the corresponding element 1, the 0 multiply by 1, 0 multiply by 1. Then each row multiply each column, multiplication of these two matrices is complete. Now we find the solve in next step. 1 multiply by 1, 1 multiply by 1, then result is 1. 1 multiply by 2, then result is 2. 2 multiply by minus 1, then result is minus 2. Put down minus 2 in the same position. 1 multiplied by 2, then result is 2. 1 multiplied by 0, result is 0. Write down 0 in the same position. 2 multiplied by 1, then result is 2. Note down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 1, the result is 2. Note down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 2, then result is 2. Note down in the same position. 0 multiplied by minus 1, result is 0. Note down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 2, result is 4. Note down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 0, then result is 0. Note down in the same position. 0 multiplied by 1, then result is 0. Note down in the same position. Now we simplify in next step. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 2, answer is 1. Note down 1 in the same position. 2 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 4. Note down 4 in the same position. 2 plus 2 plus 0, 4. Note down the same position. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. Note down the same position. This is the matrix multiplication of A and B. A and B multiplication is complete. Now we find the transpose of A and transpose of B. Transpose of A. Transpose of A equal to the determinant of the value of matrix A is moved down here. See, and put here. And take the transpose of A. The condition of transpose, row and column interchange. And the next step. First column element 1 and 2 interchange in the first row. 1, 2. Second column element 1, 1 change into second row 1. Third column element 2, 0 interchange the third row 2, 0. Now we take the value of transpose of B. Transpose of B. The value of B, matrix B, note down here and put here. And take the transpose of matrix B. The transpose means the row and column interchange. The row in the next step. Now the first column element is 1, 2, minus 1. Note down the first row. 1, 2, minus 1. Similarly, the second column element interchange into second row. 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. This is the transpose of B. It is clear. Now we take left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side is this AB transpose. Left hand side equal to transpose of AB transpose of AB. Now the AB is also find here. Note down the value of AB and put here and take the transpose of AB. It means row and column interchange. Row and column interchange. First column element 1 4 interchange first row 1 4. Second column element 4 4 interchange in the second row. This is the LHS. Now we find the RHS in the next step. RHS is transpose of B into transpose of A. Now we take the value of transpose of B and transpose of A. Transpose of B is here. Note down the value of transpose of B into transpose of A. Transpose of A. Note down the value of transpose of A. Note down here. Now we multiply both the matrix by the matrix multiplication method. The number of column in the first matrix is 3. The number of row in the second matrix also 3. The multiplication is possible. Then we take the first row and multiply one by one each column. Then we get the first row element. After then we take the second row and multiply one by one each column. Then we get the second row element. It is clear? Now we take one by one row and column, multiply. First row, first element 1, multiply 1, then plus first row second element 2, and the corresponding element is 1, 2 multiplied by 1, and the third element of the first row minus 1, and the corresponding element 2 multiplied by 2. First row, first column multiplication is complete, and the first row multiplied with the second column, then we get the second element of the first row. The first element is 1 multiplied the corresponding element 2, 1 multiplied by 2, then after then plus the second element 2, the corresponding element 1, 2 multiplied by 1, so then the plus, the third element is minus 1, and the corresponding element is 0, so minus 1 multiplied by the 0. First row, no more column, then the first row multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second row. The second row first element is 2, then 2 is multiplied by the corresponding 1, 2 multiplied by 1. Second row, second element is 0, the corresponding element is 1, then 0 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 1. Second row, third element is 1, the corresponding element is 2, and then 1 multiplied by 2. Second row, first column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the last column, then 2 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 1, corresponding element 0, corresponding element 1, 0 multiplied by 1. After then the plus, The last element 1, the corresponding element 0, 1 multiplied by 0. Then the multiplication of two matrices complete. Now solve in the next step. One multiplied by 1, then the result is 1. Note down 1 in the same position. 2 multiplied by 1, the result is 2. Note down the 2 in the same position. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, then result is minus 2. Note down minus 2 in the same position. 1 multiplied by 2, the result is 2. Note down 2 in the same position. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Note down the same position. Minus 1 into 0, 0. Note down the same position. 2 into 0, 2. Note down the same position. 0 into 1, 0. Note down the same position. 1 into 2, 2. Note down the same position. 2 into 2, 4. Note down the same position. 0 into 1, 0. Note down in the same position. 1 into 0, 0. Note down in the same position. Now we solve in the next step. One plus 2 minus 2, answer is 1. Note down the same position. 2 plus 2 plus 0, 4. Note down the same position, 4. 2 plus 0 plus 2, 4. Note down the same position, 4. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. Note down the same position. Then RHS value compared to LHS, both are equal or not. In the LHS value, first row 1 4. In the RHS is also 1 4. In the RHS second row value 4 4. In the RHS second row value in the 4 4. Both the value are equal. Then the property is proved. Multiplication property in the transportation is proved. LHS equal to RHS. So student, you see that both the property of addition, multiplication or transposition is proved by the question, and the second property of multiplication is transposition is also proved in this one question. It is clear? Now come to the slide. Both the problem is solved. Transportation property is solved.